everyone! In this video, I want to talk about 5 items you can get rid of today that'll help you declutter your home. Number 1, keys to nowhere. Everybody has these in their junk drawer. It is time to let them go. If you've lasted a year without using these keys, they don't go to anywhere in your home. Number 2, expired items. Do not keep items that are expired in your home. If they're seasonings, they'll have no flavor anyway. Let it go. Number 3, lids that don't belong to anything. Don't keep them around. Match up all your Tupperware and get rid of the excess lids that are lying around. Number 4, cords. Oh, I almost hit myself. Number 4, cords that you don't know where they go to. Stop keeping these. If you've had cords hanging around your house for over a year, let them go. Number 5, operation manuals. Here's the thing, if you've purchased anything within the last 10 to 15 years, all of these manuals are available online, so get rid of the extras. Okay, so there you have it. 5 items you can get rid of today to help declutter your home. I hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, please give me a big old thumbs up, poke that like button below, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and poke that subscribe button as well, and ring the bell so you know every time I'm uploading a new video. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ 911. Thanks for watching.
Raise this hand and look like. What are those?
Don't judge. Don't judge me for my panties. This video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.